Hello, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up Clawdbot or open crawl engine on a Windows computer. So currently, I've done this setup, and as you can see, it's currently running on my computer, and this is the access to the dashboard to engage with Claude bots. So opening the dashboard, I have access to the engine where I could see the health is okay. I could see the list of the channels that I have and the ones that I'm currently connected to. So I have set up my Telegram app to work with this. And also, these are the skills available. I have also set up in Malaysia, you have to be able to send emails. So once all of this is set and go, then I can proceed to engage with my club bot, either using the dashboard interface or I use the connected um, chat channel. So here I can start with what can you do for me. So once I send just message, you could see Clawdbot is typing, and also so these are the list of actions based on the skills that I have set up. So currently I've set a dial skill which would allow me to send emails, ask questions, and also perform other actions. So we'll do a short test case to send an email. So I have a template email which I'm going to use to use Nehemiah to send an email. The body is going to be see you by 10. Let's see, 10 p.m. Once I click this, everything I'm doing is also reflecting on my um, chatbot interface. So we wait for this to perform the action. So currently it's completed its action, and I will have to wait for Telegram to give me the go ahead to go check my email. So the email has been sent to this Gmail. So check this together, which currently I have here. So see you by 10 p.m. That's kind of so you could see this is properly working.